Okay, now it's working. After all that.
Oh dear.
All right, well, we just did an oil change. You want to tell me what year, make, and model it is again?
That's a Road King 2001.
Mm-hmm.
That's the last model with the carburetors.
Mm-hmm. Alexa off. I don't want to get demonetized. 2001. Yeah, basically pretty straightforward. This is the oil filter right here. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. On this one, it has a 17 millimeter bolt or nut on it, so you can get it with a socket. And then underneath is the what is that, 5/8 nut. You can drain it, and it takes 4 quarts.
Yep.
It goes in here, and it's got a dipstick, and check it when it's warm. So Cedric is gonna take off before it starts raining, and I wish we had the thing up and running here, but the GoPro wouldn't come on. But anyway, thanks for bringing it over, buddy.
Of course.
It's always good to learn how to do something. You don't have reverse on it, huh?
No, not yet.
Want me to help you? I'll guide you out.
Okay.
You
All
good?
right, Russ.
All right.
Yeah.
Take it easy. Be good.
Yes.
Have fun in your race tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna race down in PV, down Garnett.
Yep.
What is it, a 5K?
It's a 5K, yeah, on Saturday. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. That's easy.
Well, maybe I'll see you at the safety meeting tomorrow night then.
Yeah.
And then
definitely.
Saturday is your race.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, there's a Mustang behind me.
Then next time we'll get the camera working so we can do
Yep.
a YouTube video on your ride. You're good, you're good. Just back up until you hear glass. You got it. This is how you have to get out of your driveway so you don't wake the neighbors, right?
Yeah, exactly. Except
Oh, that's right. You have about a 45 or a 30 degree incline.
Yep.
All right. All right. I'll look up on YouTube about putting those baffles in.
Yep.
Maybe we can come over and I'll look for that how to replace that light. It's just a bulb.
Yep.
Okay.
See you.
Take care. Watch. Off to the races. Okay, I'm gonna put the Mustang in.